McNaught Cadillac, and I'm going to take you on a tour of our 2019 GMC Yukon Denali. Now this Denali is the absolute top of the line in terms of luxury features and capabilities here for hauling, towing, or heading out to the lake for the weekend. Whatever you want to do with this SUV, it's definitely going to take you there. Now starting off on the front end here, some of the main features you're going to notice at first glance is that bold Denali honeycomb grille here. This is the signature Denali look. You've got lots of chrome on that big front bold grille. HID headlights come standard, as well as your C-shaped LED running lights. You also have fog lamps, forward-facing parking sensors, and then you've also got sensors for your adaptive cruise controls on this vehicle. Now heading around side here, you are going to notice the 22-inch bright machine aluminum wheels. Now there's quite a few different wheel options for these Yukons, but this is probably one of my favorites here. Really nice and big, and they do have all-season tires, of course. Now the powertrain on this vehicle is a 6.2 liter V8 engine. You've got 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. So definitely a lot of towing capacity from this Yukon. Now the 2019 does come with a 10-speed automatic transmission, so that's going to give you better highway fuel economy, of course. Now taking a look at the back ends of the Yukon Denali, let's open up the trunk. Now in order to do that, you've got the button right here on your key fob. Just double tap the button to open up that trunk, and the tailgate's going to lift right up nice and easily. Now at first glance inside here, you've got 3 rows in total. Now the third row is completely power adjustable. If you want to lower those seats, just press the button and they're going to fold down nice and flat for you without a problem. Now the second row seats are also collapsible. They're only going to go down, however, they won't go all the way back up. But as you can see here, you've got a ton of cargo volume in this Yukon Denali. And when you want those seats back up, just press the button and they're going to lift up nice and easily, like so. Now allow me to open up the back seat here. You're going to notice as soon as I open it up, you've got the power retractable running boards. That's a really nice feature. It's going to allow you to enter the vehicle a lot more easily. At first glance here, we're going to start off on the door panel. You've got the jet black leather interior with the offset white stitching and a little bit of wood grain trim right here on the inside, so it gives it that nice premium feel. Now at first glance into the second row here, you do have the captain's chairs, which are nice leather heated seats. And then as you take a look into the back row, you've got seating for 3 more passengers. A little bit less legroom, but if you get the Yukon XL, you're going to have plenty of trunk space back there, and it's really practical for storing stuff. Now taking a seat inside the back here, you got a couple amenities in the back end here. You've got your full 120 volt power outlet, a 12 volt charge outlet for your phone, a pair of USBs, HDMI, and of course you've got your climate controls for the back passengers, so they're always going to be nice and comfortable no matter what. Now the cool thing about this Denali is that you've actually got your power DVD player, Blu-ray player in the back seat here. So this is going to fold down right from the ceiling, and I believe it's an 11-inch screen, so you've definitely got that high quality display if you want to have Blu-ray, if you want to have HDMI hookup for your PS4 or whatever it may be. Now we're going to open up the driver's door here, and before we do so, I just want to point out these door handles. They do feature the proximity locks, so you're able to lock and unlock the vehicle from the push of a button. You also have your turn signal indicators on the mirror caps and your side blind zone monitoring right on there as well. Now opening up the driver's door, you do have the heated and ventilated front seats. You've got the Denali emblem embroidered onto the headrest itself, so there's the fine details that are going to distinguish this vehicle from the other trim levels. Once again, Denali on the sill plate, nice aluminum insert. You've got the power adjustable seats here with lumbar support. And on the driver's door panel, you do have your one-touch down windows, your power folding mirrors, and you've also got your driver's memory seat settings and your BOSE premium audio sound system, which sounds phenomenal in this vehicle. Now the steering wheel is fully power adjustable. You've also got all of your safety features back here. I'm going to go over them real quick. You've got your traction control, your parking sensors you could turn on and off, the power running boards, which I just showed you, those you could turn on and off. You have lane keep assist, and then your adjustable foot pedals. Now just below that, you're gonna find your trailer brake controller, your automatic 4x4 controls, and your headlight controls. And last but not least is your heads-up display, which is gonna project your screen right onto the windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. Okay, now we've gone ahead and taken a seat inside the Yukon Denali, and let's go over all the beautiful tech and safety features you've got inside the driver's seat. Okay, starting off with this steering wheel, it's nice leather wrapped. You've got the aluminum inserts on the inside here, really comfortable and solid feel to it. You've got the heated option here, which is great in the wintertime, as well as easy access to your forward collision alert, as well as your adaptive cruise control. On the left, you've got your regular cruise controls, and on the right-hand side, you're gonna find your 5-point command center, which is gonna configure that 8-inch display you have on the front dash. Now, I'm gonna go over the menu options real quick here. You've got all your trip counter, your fuel economy, and your tire pressure, oil life, all your standard vehicle information. But if you wanna head on back, you could go down there and display your radio info instead, and you're also able to display your phone call, your navigation, and some other options which are going to allow you to configure your heads-up display or the different types of themes that you'd like to have on the dash. Other than that, you've got your hands-free calling buttons, and then the volume rockers are going to be right behind the steering wheel itself. Now on the column shifter, pretty standard stuff here. You put it into reverse, it's going to activate your backup camera. Now if you want to press the button at the very top, it does feature the tow mode, which is going to be useful for hauling a trailer, obviously. Now over here is the 8-inch INTELLILINK system, okay, that's been redesigned for the 2019 year model. You're gonna find it's a lot more responsive and intuitive. Now a cool feature about this is you have access to download more apps, so you could get stuff such as the Weather Network app or other Pandora radio, other features like that if you wanna add it to your system. You've got Sirius XM radio as a standard option for the first 3 months. You've also got AM, FM, of course, and then if you want to plug in a USB device, an auxiliary device, that's going to work great. Now you could also pair up a phone and sync your contacts and your voicemail, and you could also hook up an iPhone or an Android and play it through here. That's going to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Now the navigation system is really nice in this vehicle. Of course, you're able to zoom out, you're able to save your destination as your work or your home, and it's overall pretty responsive, really nice to use. Now heading back home, you've got your settings, your video, which is going to allow you to insert a Blu-ray disc right into the DVD slot, or you could change the source for the rear DVD player. You've got text messaging and OnStar. So I invite you over to McNaught, come take a look at the different features that you've got on this screen. It'll take a little while to go over on a video, but we'd love to show you around. Now right behind the screen is a pretty neat feature. Not a lot of people know about this, but there's a hidden storage spot with a USB port. So if you want to pop in your phone there, plug it in and let it charge, it's nice and hidden away from plain sight. Now you've got the dual zone climate controls down here. You've got the rear climate controls just underneath that. It has its own little screen here, and you've also got the lockout feature if you don't want your kids playing around with the climate controls in the back. And then of course you've got your heated and ventilated seats. That's going to change the color depending on what you have it set on. Now just below that, inside the center console area, you've got so much space here. It's really nice. You can open up these little leather tabs. You've got the cup holders, the USB ports, and a 12-volt outlet. And as we head on a little bit lower here on the armrest, you do have a wireless charging mat, which is going to work with the latest iPhone 10 or your Samsung devices. Inside the armrest itself is a generous amount of storage. You've actually got the file organizer right here, the little rails at the top if you want to hang your files in there. 12-volt outlet and another pair of USBs with your auxiliary. Now I'm going to head right on up here towards the rear view mirror where you're going to find your OnStar buttons. It's an auto dimming mirror, so it's going to work great at night when you have cars behind you, as well as your garage door transmitters, your tailgate button, your slide and tilt sunroof, and then just above that is your 4G Wi-Fi hotspot button. If you want to turn that on or off, just hit the button right there and you'll be able to do so. Now, the sunroof up here is pretty standard stuff. It's a slide and tilt sunroof. There's no panoramic sunroof in this Yukon model though, because of the DVD player that's right here and the improved headroom. So perhaps in the next generation they may add that. Other than that, you've got a generous amount of space and storage up front here. Lots of cabinets and premium materials here. Space for your legs, space for your knees. I'm 6'2" and I've definitely got a lot of room in this Denali. So if you guys are looking to jump into the luxury full-size SUV segment, I invite you over to McNaught. Come take a look at our Yukon lineup. We've got some really nice trim levels on our lot right now, and we'd be happy to work out a deal with you guys. So I invite you over here. Come take a look for yourself and have a nice day.